Tamberg Movi gives you the freedom of mobility. You can connect with any standards-based video device in perfect business quality HD. Movi brings powerful new capabilities and significant improvements to the Movi interface, making the Movi experience better than it has ever been. Let's start with the interface. First, in order to best utilize the screen space, the Movi interface has been split up into separate control over here and video windows over here. But let's talk about the control window. In the control window, the user has easy access to phone books, directories, and presence information. As you can see here, I've added several contacts and I can see if they are logged in and available and ready to receive a call. So I'll scroll up and down. You can see here with the green dots, those are people that are available, ready to receive a call. The white dots there, they're not logged on, so I can't call them. Let's talk about some of the other things that are great about the control interface. So here in the utilities settings, there are several options that enable me to create a better experience with Movi. So first, I might be in a coffee shop and I might not have the best bandwidth or the strongest bandwidth available to me. So in this situation, I might want to go to video and toggle down my resolution from high to medium or maybe even to low. Some other options I have, I can control the bandwidth, incoming and outgoing, and the maximum settings that Movi expects to obtain. I also have the option within the settings interface to change the devices that I'm using with Movi. This is important if you have several USB cameras or web cameras, and especially important if you have a Tamberg Precision HD USB camera. So in this case, I'm able to select Tamberg in audio. I'm also able to select Tamberg video, which means I'm using the Tamberg Precision HD USB camera, and use those as my camera and my microphone from Movi. I simply hit OK, and those are all saved. Okay, so let's say I want to search our phone books and look for someone to add to my contacts. So I simply go up to the top of the interface here and begin to type in. I'm looking for Margie, so I type in the beginning of her first name, and there she is. And all I need to do is click on her here and add her to my contacts. Okay, so I've added Margie to my contacts, and now I want to give her a call. So all I have to do, scroll down here. She's at the bottom of the list. There she is. And I simply hit the green button to call. And then we're launching a call. Hi, Margie.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, so there we have a perfect call with Margie. Couple things to show off with the new interface. Here is the control bar. So a nice control bar that will disappear if I disengage from the mouse in 1 second, and then when I re-engage the mouse, it'll come back. So a great feature of Movi is the capability to show content, any content you want. So what I'm going to do, I have a PowerPoint presentation I want to show up and running, and all I have to do is go into that presentation and go into presentation mode, and Movi's smart enough to ask me, do I want to share this? And yes, I do. So now I'm sharing content over Movi. How's it look, Margie?
Looks great.
Simply hit escape, exit out, and I go back to Movi. I can also share content by hitting this button here, and it'll pull up any of the open applications that I have, and I can select them. So there's two ways to do it. You can go into PowerPoint and it'll automatically ask when you go into presentation mode, or you can select any of the applications that are open at the moment to show them. Here in the control bar, I have kind of all the rest of the features you'd expect from any video communications device, not just a PC video communications device, but any. So here is self-view, and I come up and I'm able to make sure I'm aligned properly with the camera. I can see myself and I look okay. If I want to get rid of it, I just hit self-view again. Here I have video mute, so you can't see me anymore, can you, Margie?
Where'd you go?
So video mute works, but things that provide you the security and privacy you need with any standards-based video device. So I'll take that off, and then the other things you'd expect, like mute, simply hit that, and as well as volume control and full screen. And then DTMF codes, that's the dial tones you hear on a telephone. They're critical for calling into our MCUs that we have as well, or any other type of devices like that that require DTMF, as well as information and then end call. So that's in a nutshell. That's really the interface with Movi. Everything you would ever want out of any standards-based compliant device on your PC. Movi means mobility. It extends the Tamberg Total Solution anywhere you want.